This is the bahay na bato. Literal. Oh, see? We're not allowed to go inside. Let's try here. My well. Nice. Sila dili niya, Nay. Oh. Very nice. Malamig siguro dito. Lots of jars. And literal yung mga floor are buhay na bato. Ah, you can access the rooms too. Nagta kayo na inita. Yung kajayo. Magalo-halo tayo na. Oo. Ready? 1. Dito tayo. 2. 3. Oh. Family. Hi, guys. Let's go upstairs.
Wait lang, may tao. O, di ka na sa...
Restroom. And we have tables made out of wood. And pack. Ganda ng house.